My name is Paulin. I am from Cameroon. I joined PaniTech Academy last year, and prior to joining the academy, I was working as an accounting, and it was about time for me to transition to the IT world, but I wasn't quite sure which route to go. So after speaking with Fabrice and asking for a lot of advice around me, I decided to go with cybersecurity, and I do not regret it a bit. I actually wish I had started that earlier, but hey, later than never, right? So I just want to thank Fabrice for everything that he did and continued to do to help me, first of all, to help me transition into the IT world, and to be there all the time when I need him. I mean, Fabrice is the type of person you call him anytime. If he is able to help, he will do so. I also want to give a big thank you to my other instructor, Theo. Theo is just amazing. Guys, do not hesitate. If you want to transition into the IT world, please join the PaniTech Academy. You will be glad you did. Thank you.